What's going on, guys? Nick back again with another video, and today I'm going to be explaining how many days you should be working out per week. So this is a super popular question that I get. If I was just to give a general answer, I would say anywhere between 4 to 6. 3 is okay, but that 4th day does go a long way. I think 4 at the minimum would be great. If you can stay consistent with 4, I think you definitely see some progress. Obviously, depending on what you're doing in your workouts, if you are pushing yourself or you're just kind of going through the motions. Either way though, if you were there 4 times a week, I think you'll see some progress, and I think that's a fair number. On the other extreme side, if you want to go 6 times a week, that's great, but know that you probably can't go 110% every single day. Otherwise, your body will break down, you will start to overtrain, your joints may hurt, and it's unlikely that you'll be able to keep that pace up for a long extended period of time, unless you're a little crazy like myself. So I do work out 6 days a week. However, I will say 2 of those days are light days. One is a active rest day where I mainly just do cardio. I'll go for a 10-mile bike ride, or I'll do some type of running. And then the other day is a light calisthenics day, a basics day, push-ups, pull-ups, and dips. And that's about it. So if you are going to be that guy who works out 6 days a week, just know you can't go 110% every single day. Now, if you're the guy who needs to start getting into working out and you're asking, hey, what's a good number that I should shoot for? I'd say start with 3 to 4, and then you could always work your way up. But this is a realistic number, right? This is where you can get to the gym, or you can work out at home 3 to 4 times a week without completely burning yourself out. And you can stay consistent with this over a long period of time. After all, working out is all about consistency. If you stay consistent, you will eventually see progress, and you will get to where you want to be at if you're pushing yourself in your workouts. Now, it doesn't matter if you're doing calisthenics training or if you're doing weightlifting. A little bit, if you're doing calisthenics training, odds are you're probably working towards some type of skill, whether it's handstands, planches, front levers, handstand push-ups, whatever that may be. So you should have at least one day where you're devoting mainly to that skill, and then a few other days where you might brush through it, doing a few sets just to maintain it and get your body used to the motion and build that muscle memory up. However, doing the same skills over and over and over again and doing the same progressions over and over again isn't great either, because it puts a lot of pressure on your tendons, your ligaments. So that being said, you have to have those rest days as well. So if you're doing calisthenics, make sure you're not only working on your skills, but you're doing your basics, pull-ups, push-ups, and dips as well. And you're giving yourself rest time in between when you train the same skill. If you want to train front lever one day, planche another day, that's great. Again, still a lot of pressure on some of the similar joints. So just make sure that you get your rest days in and you allow your joints to heal, and you're not overdoing it so that you can avoid injury. Now, if you're somebody who's lifting weights, same applies. You have to just make sure you're hitting different muscles every single day. In order to see progress in your entire body, you can't do full body days every day, right? You have to focus on 1 to 2 muscle groups per day, and that'll allow you to spread it out multiple days throughout the week. That's why I think 3 to 4 days is optimal. If you have one day where you're doing all pushing workouts, chest and tricep workouts, even a little bit of shoulders, then you have another day where you're doing all pulling workouts, back and biceps, anytime you're pulling towards your body, and another day you do legs. Right then and there, you hit your entire body, and that's 3 days a week. And that 4th day could really be a core day, a cardio day, or something else. But that is the most simple way to break it down, especially if you're somebody who goes to the gym and you're isolating muscles. So despite whether you're doing calisthenics or you're doing weightlifting, you could break it down that way and hit different muscles each day so that you continually be fresh, you're not overtraining, and you're strengthening your entire body muscle by muscle group. So to the answer to your question, it would be anywhere between 3, most likely 4 days a week, and if you're a little crazier like myself, 6 days a week is probably the most you should go. Definitely have at least one day where you rest your entire body. So hope that answered all of your questions. If it did and you like this video, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. Check me out on all other social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at core_calisthenics. Check out my website, corecalisthenics.com. There's every single workout I know in there, and me explain the right way to perform it under 1 to 2 minutes. Stay tuned for my videos every single Saturday at 12 p.m. noon Eastern time. I'll see you guys in the next video.